Welcome to Session 14, Multi-Step Equations, Identities, and Inequalities. More advanced equations require distribution, combining like terms and variables on both sides. Inequalities use many of the same operations but describe a set of solutions. Multiplying or dividing by a negative reverses the order relation. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Solve equations with distribution and variables on both sides. Recognize one solution, identity, and no solution outcomes. Solve and graph one variable inequalities. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, distribute and combine like terms before isolating the variable. A true identity has every real number as a solution. Multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative reverses its sign. Worked. Example 1. Solve 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 plus 5 equals 3x plus 18. Distribute and combine to get 8x minus 7. Move variable terms and constants to obtain 5x equals 25, so x is 5. Check. Substituting 5 makes both sides equal 33. Worked example 2. In 3 times x plus 2 equals 3x plus 6, distribution makes both sides identical. This statement is true for every real x, so it has infinitely many solutions. Check. Any substituted real value produces equal sides. Worked example 3. Solve negative 2x plus 5 is greater than 13. Subtract 5, then divide by negative 2. Dividing by a negative reverses the comparison, so x is less than negative 4. Check. A test value such as negative 5 makes the original statement true. Watch for this common error, forgetting to reverse an inequality after dividing by a negative. Correction. A negative scale reverses the number line order, so the comparison must flip. Use this routine. Name the target and units. Choose a relationship. Calculate with clear steps. Then estimate and verify. Simplify both sides. Classify the resulting relationship. Isolate the variable or solution set, and test representative values. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.